Hello everyone. As you know, Robert had some surgery on his foot. This is what we got him. Oh, he wants to show his foot. There's the foot. We got him a little roll around scooter thingy so that we can still go out and do some stuff. So I was going to show you, and he's going to put it together in a second here, but here are the specifications of it as far as its measurement and what it weighs and whatnot. Came from China. Anyway, he's going to show you some stuff about it. It's got a booklet with it. A couple wrenches for you.
Hey everyone, so this is a scooter we were showing you in the box. I've kind of pre-assembled a couple pieces here, but basically this is how it comes out of the box, all folded up like this. I did mount the cushion onto the seat post, and this comes with one wheel attached. I attached the other wheel just for simplicity of the video. Put that over there, hopefully it doesn't roll off. So basically you've got the handlebars, this little section you need to put up and then clamp into place so that it stays there. The bottom piece here folds out so that now you got a whole long scooter thing, and then you can see it. Yeah, the little shock goes in the little hole here. Line that up, and then you've got a piece of hardware here to put in here. And a thumb screw to hold that on. This little shock is adjustable if you want to make it more or less tight with the spring. They gave you some Allen screws to hold the hardware in place while you tighten. And then, let's see how much you can see the front piece here. Need to put the handlebars in the top. We'll put the bolt in there in a minute as soon as we figure out how tall we need it. And the wheels, here, we'll turn this around. That'll probably be better. So the wheels, watch your top, fit in this little hook right here. There's a couple of tabs on the wheel. I don't know if they're kind of hard to see right about where my finger is, where you kind of set it between the thing right there. And then this, I have put this on here already, but it didn't come with the little bolt in there, but you've got to hook this onto the frame here and around, in through, tighten the bottom nut, and then bring that over like so, and that keeps the front wheels on. And then we're just about through here. Look at the seat post goes in. Kind of tough to see here. The seat post goes in here, and there is a bolt I need here. It's a regular hex bolt. There's a hole here that this fits into to kind of lock it in place. That goes in here through the other side. It's a little tough to go in because they didn't quite drill it all the way. And another thumb screw goes on the back side here. Make sure that's good and tight. And the brakes are already adjusted. We just need to adjust the top pull here where we like it. That has a little bag for the front that has little hooks here that go into these little grooves here. And then there's a little Velcro strap behind here that just goes here. I also put this cable in the Velcro strap to kind of keep the cable under control. And then basically what we need to do now is figure out our height on those, and we're about done. Everything's all tight back together except for the handlebar. Yeah, that's better there. So this needs to go up. So that was supposed to be at about the waist. Yeah, this instructions on here doesn't show anything about where to set anything. As far as height wise, I googled how to set it up properly for proper use. It just shows you how to put it together. It doesn't tell you how to set anything. Okay, so the handlebars should be about hip height, maybe a little higher. And then this should be so that you're straight up and down. You shouldn't be bent one way or the other. With your knee should be straight. And then you go along, you've got little brakes. And for those of us that do baggage, we have a compartment. And that takes the load completely off my foot after the surgery so that it can heal properly. So I can still go to the grocery store or whatever I need to do. Thanks for watching.